Hello everyone, welcome to Channel TV. First question. Kia is the famous car company of which country? A. Japan, B. India, C. South Korea, D. Germany. The correct answer is option C. South Korea. Next question. Jhummar folk dance is associated with which state? A. Haryana, B. Manipur, C. Odisha, D. Gujarat. The correct answer is option A. Haryana. Next question. Dhokla is a famous dish of which state? A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option B. Gujarat. Next question. In which year the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act was passed in India? A. In the year 2003, B. In the year 2000, C. In the year 2001, D. In the year 2006. The correct answer is option A. In the year 2003. Next question. When was the Direct Tax Code Bill introduced in the Parliament? A. 2009, B. 2008, C. 2010, D. 2006. The correct answer is option C. 2010. Next question. When was Jawahar Rozgar Yojana started? A. 1972, B. 1999, C. 1989, D. 1978. The correct answer is option C. 1989. Next question. Kolkata Port is situated on the bank of which river? A. Ganga, B. Godavari, C. Krishna, D. Hooghly. The correct answer is option D. Hooghly. Next question. Where is the headquarters of United Nations Development Program? A. Rome, B. New York, C. Geneva, D. Washington, D.C. The correct answer is option B. New York in the year of 1965. Next question. Singanila National Park is located in which state? A. Odisha, B. Maharashtra, C. West Bengal, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option C. West Bengal. Next question. The Direct Action Plan happened in which year? A. In the year 1943, B. In the year 1946, C. In the year 1949, D. In the year 1951. The correct answer is option B. In the year 1946. Next question. What is an altimeter used for? A. Measuring air pressure, B. Measuring the strength of wind, C. Measuring the intensity of sound, D. Measuring the height of an airplane. The correct answer is option D. Measuring the height of an airplane. Next question. Guru Pankacharanda is famous for which Indian classical dance? A. Manipur, B. Kathakali, C. Kuchipudi, D. Odissi. The correct answer is option D. Odissi. Next question. Which city is known as the Empire City? A. Manila, B. New York, C. Sydney, D. Rome. The correct answer is option B. New York. Next question. Which article deals with the protection of life and personal liberty? A. Article 19, B. Article 20, C. Article 21, D. Article 22. The correct answer is option C. Article 21. Next question. Bishkek is the capital of which country? A. Switzerland, B. Kyrgyzstan, C. Lebanon, D. Kazakhstan. The correct answer is option B. Kyrgyzstan. Next question. What is the SI unit of acceleration? A. Meter per minute, B. Meter per second, C. Meter per hour, D. None of them. The correct answer is option B, meter per second. Next question. What percentage of the moon is visible from the earth? A, 40%, B, 75%, C, 59%, D, 65%. The correct answer is option C, 59%. Next question. In which article of the Indian Constitution the conditions of the President office mentioned? A, Article 62, B, Article 76, C, Article 89, D, Article 59. The correct answer is option D, Article 59. Next question. Which former Prime Minister's death anniversary was celebrated on 16th August? A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Lal Bahadur Shastri, C, Badruddin Tayuji, D, Atal Bihar Vajpayee. The correct answer is option D, Atal Bihar Vajpayee. Last question. Ustad Allah Raksha Qureshi is related to which musical instrument? A, Tabla, B, Veena, C, Sarangi, D, Sitara. The correct answer is option A, Tabla. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.